Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Let me show you what we're working on today. I've been looking for one of these for quite some time. This is a 90s Cannondale 400 aluminum, made in the USA. This is the one that does have a steel fork on it. There were some made with aluminum forks that, from what I understand, were quite dangerous. Take a look around here. I love the fact that it's already fitted for V brakes, from what I can tell. Guy up there. So I purchased this bike just the way you see it. That ugly suspension post and seat. Let's see what we can do with this one. This is definitely going to be probably a 1x7 setup. Make it nice and comfortable. This frame is a large. It's a 20-inch frame, which is a bit too big for me. So this is something that I'm definitely going to build up and eventually sell it. These are actually sealed, the bearings in here. Let me show you. They're spinning pretty smooth too. This fork says 2001. Didn't realize they were still making Cannondales in the USA in 2001. All right. These were the two washers that were on there. I think I'm going to substitute it just for this one. I think that's going to give me enough. Oh yeah. Spins really good. Just a quick wipe down, it already looks a lot better. Going with a brand new Holotech. Going to be using this 38 tooth ride face chainring, narrow wide. I think 38 would be a good balance, not too small, not too big. Alright, this is the wheel set we're going to use. It is a matching wheel set, Lyman 519. But as you can see in the rim, they do need a little TLC. So I'm going to clean them up. That cassette's coming off because I'm using a new one. So let me give you a shot of the before. And then I'll give you a shot of the after. Alright, the wheel set has been cleaned up. As you can see there, definitely an improvement. Of course, it's not going to be perfect, but... And I got the cassette off. Time to put the new one on. We're going to be using the Sun Race cassette. It goes 11 to 34. Should be some pretty good range, and it's 7-speed. Right, the tires we're going with are basically, it's going to be a city bike type tire. This is 26 by 1.75. That's about 45 millimeter wide. That should be enough to give a decent cushion ride and still be able to get some good speed. So let's throw these on the wheels. some new pedals. Nothing too fancy, but better than the plastic. Lightweight alloy. Well, she is coming along. Still got to do the cabling, shifting, brake levers, seat and seat post. But I think I'm going to cut it off here, and I'm going to bring you back once it's ready for the reveal, guys. Well, if you saw the entire video, you can see there's quite a few changes. For one, the bars in the stem are not the ones I initially wanted to put on this bike. I wanted to put the sway back bars, which had a flatter, longer stem, but the reach was out of this world. It was still too far. So I swapped out the stem for that one that's a little shorter with a little bit of rise, and those other bars just did not look right on it. So I tried the flat bars, and I think it definitely fits it a lot better. Feels a lot better as well riding it. Definitely a very sporty setup there. Let's go through the bike. Stem and bars, that's from the parts bin, as well as the brake levers. Grips are ODI, foam molded, those are new. The 7-speed Shimano shifter is new, as well as the cabling. I decided to get a little creative, or lack thereof, with the different colored cables. White cable is for the shifter, gray cable is going for the front brake, and the black one is going back to the back brake. Got Promax V brakes front and back, that's from the parts bin. The wheel set, Wyman 519. Matching set from the parts bin. Tires are new. Nothing fancy about the brand. They are rotational. And it's definitely a street/city type tire. 26 by 1.75. Come up here to the saddle. That's from the parts bin. I actually got that saddle off a BMX teardown. It's actually a pretty comfortable saddle. It's like a leather. Let's see, the seat post, I got that off of eBay at 26.6. Did not want that crappy suspension post that was on there. Well, seat post lock, that's from the parts bin. Come down to the crank, that's all new. Hollowtech bottom bracket, the narrow wide chain ring. Pedals are new, brand new chain. Come back here, Shimano Dior LX derailleur, that's from the parts bin. Did open that up, clean it up, clean up all the little jockey wheels, re-lube them, put it back together. That back cassette is actually the one that came with this wheel. That is an 11 by 28. If you saw the video, I put on an 11 by 34. But the bike wasn't shifting right, and after I was looking at it for a bit, I discovered that that back cassette was bent. Somewhere along the way in shipping, it probably got crushed, so that's getting sent back. So, between that back cassette, bars and stem, this bike is definitely taken on a different view. But I think it's actually pretty cool. It's actually really light. It's kind of funny because usually a bike has more of the weight in the back because of the drivetrain. This one, due to that steel fork, feels like most of the weight is up front. Just lift it, which is probably a good balance once the rider's on there. The bottom of this frame says XL. I don't have a problem with the standover. The standover's fine, but that distance from the seat to the stem is definitely made for somebody with longer limbs than I. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like and subscribe. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Once again, I appreciate your time. Thank you and have a great day.